And we are back. Today, we are getting into some 2022 Mosaic football. We are on the hunt for a Brock Purdy rookie card. Now, I understand he may not be able to start to begin the season, but I feel like this kid just has something. But I guess you never know. But that's at least who I'm looking for. There's some, other options in here. Quarterback-wise, Pickett, Malik, Willis can be found in this. And then Dameon, Pierce, Kenneth Walker III, Sauce Gardner, the usual suspects, Tariq Woolen, Aiden Hutchinson. But it looks like we've got 6 packs to see if we can get lucky and pull a Brock Purdy rookie card. Let's do this like that. All right, let's see what we can do. Let's see if we can maybe pull a razzle dazzle. That would be sweet. Pack number 1. Derrick Henry on the back. We got Terry McLaurin, Keyshawn Johnson, Brian Burns, Joe Montana, and Mike Gesicki of the Dolphins. And lastly, the Derrick Henry Thunder Lane insert. All right, on to the next. Pack number 2. Is this going to be one of those struggle bus days? Kids Reporter on the back. DK Metcalf off the jump. Harold Landry. Lawrence Taylor. That's sweet, New York Giants. And Sam Howell, rookie card. And what do we got here? We got a Hunter Renfrow. And I don't see that it's numbered, but it's a green parallel of some sort. All right. Pack number 3, 2022. Mosaic football. Looking for the Brock Purdy. Why do some of these packs give me major problems and some don't? I will never figure it out. Oh, look who's on the back. Mr. Jalen Waddle. Jalen Ramsey off the top. Kirk Cousins. Malik Willis, rookie. All right. There we go. It's one of the quarterbacks. Anquan Bolden, great receiver. Jared Goff. And then the Jalen Waddle will to win. That's kind of cool. Put that over there. We are halfway through the blaster. There we go. A nice clean rip there. Zach Wilson. Off the top. Sounds like the Jets are getting Aaron Rodgers. Cam Akers. So we'll see what happens to Zach. Jamar Chase. That's sweet. And the... I don't know if they call it red, white, and blue, but it's got the flag back there. That's pretty cool. I like that. Put that to the side. Jeffrey Simmons, Charlie Kohler, and Barry Sanders. Sweet. That's pretty cool. All right. All right. 5th pack. TJ Watt off the top. James Cook, rookie card. Jameis Winston. Gabriel Davis. Cameron Jordan. And lastly, it's a Hall of Fame of Jim Kelly. Pretty cool. All right, final pack. to find us the Brock Purdy rookie. The last and final pack. Xavier Howard in a Dolphins uni off the top. Tom Brady. There we go. The GOAT. Lamar Jackson in the red, white, and blue American flag insert. That's cool. Laremy Tunsil. Bailey Zappi, rookie. All right. You never know. Ooh, okay. Dameon Pierce in the green rookie card. That's pretty cool. He had a great year, so that's a nice one. I like that. All right. And obviously the Lamar Jackson and Tom Brady. Okay, so highlight-wise, definitely this. This Malik Willis rookie's pretty nice. Bailey Zappi, who knows what will come of him. We got the GOAT, Tom Brady. And then for the red, white, and blue or American flag parallel, we got Jamar Chase and Lamar Jackson. And then this sweet Barry Sanders and Jalen Waddle, will to win insert. Waddle, waddle, waddle. Awesome. All right, that was fun. Until next time, we shall do this again soon, and we are out.